If you're looking for the cheapest guy, if you're price shopping, we're not the right fit. And that's okay. However, if you stop and think, what am I looking for? I have a deck. I want a covered side. I want to connect with a patio. And there's 3 components. And we have over 2 or 3 components. It's a complex job. I think we're a good fit.
He was able to provide me a lot of the ideas up front and kind of chalk out in my mind what I wanted. The quality of this deck fits the quality of this house. The advice I give to people is be careful about who they hire. It's about the people. It's about being able to get along with individuals and feeling comfortable with those individuals so that you can build a trusting relationship.
When you have an imagination and you have some style that you have in mind or particular colors that you like, he's open to discussing all that. If I'm spending the money, then I want to make sure I get what I'm looking for. I want to do a wraparound porch. And so it just kind of gradually became what it is today. Every time I would ask, can we do this? He would always say, we could do anything.
He did a fantastic job. He stands behind everything. He's always there for you anytime you need him, texting or calling.
If I'm going to pay all of this money, I want somebody who's going to make it happen. We all sat down at the kitchen table, my husband and myself and Frank, and we all brainstormed on what we wanted. I wanted certain arches. My husband wanted the fire pit. So we just all worked together and came up with an idea that Frank listened to.
I want to sit down, talk to you. Tell me what you got going on. I'll never ask your budget, but I need you to be honest with me. Tell me what you want. I'm going to tell you what range. I'll give you a wide range over the phone, and then we'll see if we're a good fit. If we are, I'll come out and visit with you for free. Give us a call. We're here to help.